Yes, now people, you don't know Sir Justin Blake there again. And you don't know me have another interesting story. And guess what, go on, people? In the midst of everything what happening in the dancehall right now, first and foremost, me just want to say, Tammy Lee, congratulations towards winning her lawsuit against the Republic of Dominica. The Dominican Republic is a member of CARICOM. Jamaica is also a member of CARICOM. Every Caribbean country who is a member of CARICOM, there are laws that must be abided by. And if you violate those laws, the Caribbean Court of Justice is where all those cases resolve. Now with that said, I just want to say, Tammy Lee, big up yourself. Justice has been served. US $3 million worth. Yo, let me talk about what going on with Popcaan and Alkaline right now. Popcaan recently released a song named Stray Dog. I say, yo, me don't know about the one that touch Alkaline. Goes up your heart that I God no. Alkaline released a song named Microwave. Alkaline says song pussy flop card, you know, man. Yo, alright. Yo, me can't wait to see how Vendetta fans them react to this. I mean, definitely can't wait to see how the unruly fans them react to the warrior. Because, yo, the warrior steamy. You see, Alkaline is a very smart youth. Because him choosing battles them wisely. And you don't know, him see Popcaan as a worthy opponent. And right now, the war they shot. But between me and you still, you know, say Alkaline seems like him afraid of a Tammy Lee war. Because as a Tammy Lee dark. A Tammy Lee say gothic. A Tammy Lee say evil. Well, you don't know. You wanna dance all tune into this. Everybody anticipate the next move what Tammy Lee go make, what Alkaline go make, or what Popcaan go make. But guess what? In the meantime, make we talk about the artists them when they emerge from Montego Bay. Yes, the city of Montego Bay. Everybody don't know say Montego Bay me come from already. Over the past couple of years, it is undoubtedly a fact. Music has risen to another level in Amobia and surrounding communities. So you don't know Justin Blake's support is 100% to any Mobia artist, or as a matter of fact, any artist from this region of Jamaica. But right now, Justin Blake more focused on the artists them will create a name for themselves in the street of Montego Bay and then they're on the rise. Yo, everybody know Rhyme Minister, everybody know TJ, everybody know Shaney, everybody know Chilando, everybody know Ricky Teats, everybody know Hyper-Rock, everybody know Blade Schemers, everybody know Kenil Merital, everybody know Squash, and everybody know Rygin. Rest in peace, Rhonda. Who else? People you don't know, look out for the Justin Blake Top 10 chart. Now know all of my subscribers, followers and passerbys. Definitely comment down in the comment section because your input is very important towards selecting the #1 songs from any one of the Montego Bay selected recording artists. You don't know the song will get the most vote, the most popular song, it will be the #1 song selected by Justin Blake Top 10 charts. Yo people, look out for the new one from Shaney. It name Working Hard.
I have a dream like Martin Luther King.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.
I have a dream like Martin Luther King.
One day, this nation will rise up.
You don't know Chilando recently released a song titled You Better Can Joke. I mean I tell you, the girl them love a song.
Dance mash up now, easily.
Yo, selector. All them girls are now dancing at the party. All I wonder is that she want me.
Chilando for the girl them.
My girl, you hear me now? Girl, you better can joke. Think me love you for your pretty look. When you step in at the dance, if you work your damn foot. Joke, joke, girl, I bubble me a look. If you take out me phone, put it on me Facebook. Joke, think me love you for your pretty look.
Remember, you know, subscribe and stay tuned. Justin Blake YouTube channel. The Top 10 chart come very soon. Remember, if you go up on Facebook, go like the page on name Awasa. You can find the Facebook link for the page on name Awasa down in the description section. Remember, you know, like.